Race Cam. I have a new car to show you. I have the Lamborghini Huracan LP622 Terminals, I think what it's called. And it's a new car. And I have the McLaren P1. And I have a Mazda right here. And I built the ultimate devil car wash. And here's Chloe. And there's Carter and the little Binky. And we have a Hot Wheels hauler. There was a trial, there was a video one, but it cut out, and we had to do another one. So, let me fix the hauler, put cars on it. Let's go. You probably can see a little battery there. That's because you lost the piece. You can't find it. I'm gonna hold it for now. And I have some. And I have a double ramp to build the double car wash and parking lot. Probably can't see it. And I tried using it earlier. And you look out for me. And there's a little tunnel right there. And you can park through it. The cars. Here comes all the cars. Try this one. Alright. We have Linda McQueen or Dinosaur, and we have double McQueens, double Rocky McQueens. And we're going to be doing more Hot Wheels stuff. And we might be doing more tracks and more things on this channel. We might have a new picture. So hit subscribe and hit the likes. I've heard there's lots of subscribers and likers. So here's a big line of cars. Oh no! I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later.
My cars. I have a car wash. That was you want to see.
Alrighty.
So can
After Christmas, we might have
I
some
can see
good cars. Carter is going in front of. He's in front of the iPad of the camera, and
I can get
now.
welcome, Orange Can. I have on my car. I have a car wash.
Look at all those cars. Wow, that's a lot of cars. Wow. I believe all these cars are hiker cars. I think. And as you can probably see, there's a way that you can go up from cars.
Welcome,
On,
Orange Can.
get up.
Daddy. From my up.
And car that
I can open. I need to open. Please. Wait.
sorry about the time. Uh-oh.
Put my up. Put my up.
There's too much people. Come on,
I
start, go.
want to put my up.
I'm going. Alright. So,
Hi, Bobby. Bobby, I got Theo.
we might
Hi.
have some 15 cars
Bobby,
and
we can.
some
I
better
have my
tracks
car.
and we like to travel.
Put my up.
We